All right, today we're looking at something that I myself probably won't use because I don't play guitar, but it's the Acemic guitar wireless transmitter and receiver, the G1. Now, I do know people that play guitar. My daughter plays guitar, and she will probably be the one who ends up getting this, but Monique's daughter plays guitar, and because of that, I'm going to let her try this just to see what she thinks of it and just to ensure that it works. But right now, we'll start off by taking a look at their listing online, then crack open the box, and of course, see how it works. So this is it here. You know, price point, I'm guessing it's a good price because I know guitar stuff can be expensive. We're looking at like $70 US. Of course, if you're here in Canada, there is a shipping fee, as you can see here, about $20. But there's a 10% off coupon code as of filming, so that's kind of good. 4.5 stars with 185 reviews. All that seems good. You know what? I'll go over some of the specs, but you guys can read this probably just as well as I can. 2.4 gigahertz wireless, less than 5 milliseconds of latency, mute function, 4 channels. With a built-in large capacity battery, the wireless guitar microphone system can be continuously used for 6 hours after being charged about 3 hours, which is enough to enjoy the wireless world freely. 6 hours of charge, 3 hours of actual wireless connectivity with your amp or whatever. Say goodbye to tangled cables, which, you know what, that would probably be something. And I'm contemplating actually maybe picking up a guitar to learn. So we're gonna unbox it. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is it. It's a small little box, as you can tell from it being in my hands. The Acemic G1, which is cool. You don't really need too big of a box, and really all that's going to come in this, my guess, would be the actual transmitter receiver. Seems like a decent little box. You know, you can't complain too much. Little tiny manual, cool, and they actually kind of look like little guitars. Yes, look like little guitars. You guys can see that. That's kind of funky, right? So that's gonna fold out, so you can place that however your guitar kind of wants it. What do we have here for charging on there? Yeah, so there's your USB-C charging. Very cool. So one of these, of course, is going to be transmitter. One of them would be receiver. My guess is they have, so you have an R in the corner here and a T on this one, so transmitter. So that's going to go inside your actual, or on your actual guitar. Receiver, of course, is going to go on the amp. Very cool. And you get a decent size, very nice, and 2, so USB-A to 2 USB-C ends for charging those. That's fantastic. They thought of everything. Anyways, let's hook them into a guitar. What we'll do is I'm going to charge them first, make sure they're fully charged, and then we'll plug them into a guitar and see what it's like. See if there's much latency. Don't expect anything great in regards to guitar playing, but maybe it'll be good. We'll see.
G1 operation tutorial. 1. A multi-set using manual pairing frequency. First, long press the power button of transmitter until the blue light flashes quickly. Then long press the power button of the transmitter until the blue lights of the receiver and transmitter are always on. Done. Repeat the above operation. When using 3 sets at the same time, the transmitter needs to be used at a distance of 2 meters or more from the transmitter, so it is not recommended to use more than 2 sets at the same time. 2. Mute settings. Short press the transmitter power button. Blue light blinks to indicate that it is muted. Short press again to cancel the blue light on. G1 is 2.4G frequency transmission. Please try to stay away from routers, Bluetooth, and other devices to prevent interference.
All right, guys. So, you know, you can't really review these too much without actually playing guitar. So I can't play guitar, but Monique's daughter is learning to play guitar. And because of that, I figured we could just give her this to try out to see what she thought. And I went and listened and filmed some stuff just to see. And honestly, what I was listening for was like lag any kind of difference between when she strummed and when you actually heard it come out of the amplifier, how easy it was to connect. And really, did you hear much in regards to any kind of like sound degradation? And the simple answer was, for me, for someone that, you know, may not be a guitar specialist, and definitely no lag. I didn't hear any lag from when she was strumming the guitar to when the sound was coming out of the amplifier. So that, I thought, worked really well. Connection, again, really easy. There's green lights on both of them. The green lights kind of tell you what your power signal is like. And then there's blue lights. So you kind of just hold the power buttons until they both flash blue. And then once they both flash blue, they're searching for each other. And once they find each other, they go solid blue. So you can't really ask for too much simpler for connecting. And then, like I said, lag was good. Sound quality was good. Setup was good. You know, this is not probably something that you're going to use for professional use, but I would think that you should be able to get at least a couple hours out of these for charging. Again, simple USB-C connectors. So, you know, if you're someone that plays guitar a lot, just keep them on the charger whenever you're not using them, I would think. If you are someone that's doing it a little more professional, then again, same idea. I would think if I was learning guitar, I'd probably be able to get away with charging these because I wouldn't play too much. You know, charge them, you know, every couple days, every couple usages. But yeah, you set them on the charger if you want, and you should be good to go. Acemic guitar wireless transmitters, super simple to set up. And I'd say that's good. I don't have any negatives at all. No negatives at all. They seem to work really good. It says it's a less than 5 milliseconds for response time, for latency. So again, I couldn't hear any latency from when she strummed till when the sound came out. So good job. Yeah, I like them. If you're interested in these, I will put a link down below where you guys can find these. And that's it. We'll see you guys next video. And go play some guitar, I guess. Why not? Maybe I'll buy a guitar. Maybe I'll buy a guitar just so I can learn. I've always wanted to learn guitar. Maybe I should.